It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make.
Okay, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. I am Sunny C, and this is my daughter Naomi.
Hi.
Y'all seen her in my previous video, and today, since it's Halloween, or the month of Halloween this weekend, we decided to make cookies, her favorite, and we're gonna get started.
And my mommy, she makes cookies when I was 3.
And 2 and 1. We love baking together. We bake everything. We love baking cookies, and what else? We bake cake or cupcakes. I think once, maybe. Mostly cookies.
And we make eyeballs with cookies.
And we do have some leftover sprinkles, Halloween sprinkles, and we got some eyeballs. Then we just got some regular rainbow sprinkles, you know, just to jazz it up a little bit. It's gonna be really cute, really nice, really simple, you know.
And you guys gotta check out my video.
Period. I'm not showing my face, y'all, because I look crazy right now. I got on my scarf. Naomi like, not you agreeing. Hold on, first.
Can I pour it in, Mama?
Yeah, so it says preheat the oven. I did that. Don't worry, you didn't have to do that. Okay, grease baking dish. We're gonna use some Pam because we don't have no foil. This is the Pam we use. It has canola oil in it, you know. Okay, so it says combine cookie mix, butter, and large mixing bowl. So we got our large mixing bowl. This is the cookie mix. So we gotta put that in there. So here you go, Omi.
Okay.
Give me a second, and now we just need to get our butter. So.
And guys, you guys gotta hit the like button if you like my mom's video and my video.
Okay, so here is the butter we're gonna be using.
Why we gonna use butter and now I don't like butter?
Because butter is a part of the recipe, Naomi. Like, I don't know what to tell you. So we gotta use, it said we gotta use what, 4 tablespoons? Okay, so we gotta get the measuring cup. So
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Oh, that?
Bruh.
Okay.
And I gotta go back.
Back.
And we got eggs.
Yes, because we just found out we needed 1 egg. We need 4 tablespoons.
And my mama buy me Lunchables. First we gonna clap that way right now.
Yeah, and put it into the bowl. Make sure like, you know. Okay, that's enough. Here, put it in here. It's okay. Just throw it in there. Throw it. It's okay. It's okay. You right by the sink.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob, I was just.
Oh, look at the thing.
You gotta show them the egg.
Yeah. Gotta look at the Look. Hi guys, we're back.
Let's go. Okay, so we need 4 tablespoons of butter. Butter. It's supposed to be softened.
Butter. Coming up for you. I won't do it.
Here, make sure. Okay, shoot. We should have got a thingy to. That's why it's supposed to be softened butter, so it'll be easy to. It's like we're putting it in 1 spoon to put it in another spoon. This is gonna take forever. Okay, hold on. Yes, it's time to mix. Now mix. Mix it.
Right now?
Yeah. So like I was saying, what is your favorite Halloween movie? Your options are, you got Hocus Pocus, you got the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Think of any Halloween. It could be any TV series. Oh my goodness. Slowly and steady. Slow, my dear. Slow. Okay, I'm just showing.
Hey!
Wait, what were you talking about again?
Halloween. What what's your favorite holiday then? Since we're doing Halloween cookies right now. Think of your favorite holiday?
Yeah.
What is your favorite holiday? Is it Valentine's Day? Is it Christmas? Is it Halloween that's coming up? Is it St. Patrick's Day? Is it Juneteenth? I just gave you a whole list.
It's just what my favorite.
Yeah, which one do you like celebrating the most? I think your favorite. I think your.
Wait, I know. It's Halloween.
Halloween's your favorite?
Yeah.
Halloween's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like Christmas too.
But I kind of like both because they Santa always gets the stuff better.
Oh yeah, Santa does give you the better stuff on Christmas.
Yeah.
When he comes.
Yeah.
The only time he comes.
Yeah.
Okay, like let's check it out now. Let's see what we got so far. So
Oh,
we're supposed to be.
Spell it. You can spell it.
I got it. You'll put the green food coloring in. I gotta put the other green. Because this has to be well combined. Well combined.
Look, my eyes are about to turn red. You see?
I know.
Look inside it's
Well, you
red.
don't have to eat the cookies. Eat the cookies today.
But I want
You could I'm not saying you can't decorate them. You can definitely eat them now.
eat them right now.
Oh, not eat them. I mean decorate them. Ah! You tricked me up. I'm busy mixing and you tricked me up.
Mommy, when I'm adding the.
Make sure you pour it all in. Oh, that is green. That's like mean Grinch green. Okay, so we gotta knead it all in and create a cookie, I guess. Yeah, it's supposed to make 12 cookies, so we're gonna see now if it makes 12 cookies. Apparently, she thought she was about to eat this whole giant ass cookie tonight. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It was fun while it lasted. You know, we're happy October's here. We're happy the fall is here. But honey, you are not eating this giant ass sugar cookie on top of sugar ass cookie tonight. Not on my watch. Not on duty. I don't know what happens to the audio right there, but thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.